We are still in Zion National Park, and today we are hiking a trail. It's the Canyon Overlook Trail. So this trail doesn't require the shuttle because it's not along the scenic canyon road, and there's very limited places to park. So we found a spot, and this is about a mile long, so we're gonna hike this and see what else there is to do.
Trailhead is reached by following Highway 9 to the east entrance of the Mount Carmel Tunnel. Parking is limited near the trailhead entrance, but more parking is allowed along the highway. You will immediately go up several steps to a rocky, uneven dirt trail. The Canyon Overlook Trail is the shortest hike in Zion National Park that gets you to a viewpoint above the canyon. Part of the trail, there are railings for your safety as you hike around the stone walls that overlook the canyon. We enjoyed a close encounter with the longhorn goats along the trail, and I was able to capture some awesome photos.
We are at the Canyon Overlook.
You need to come a little higher.
Look at the traffic down there.
Come over this way so you don't fall down.
Just look down there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
The view from the top is breathtaking as you look down into the canyon below and watch as the other tourists drive Highway 9 as it winds up around the mountain.
Already drive that or no? We're gonna go. That's one of the windows of the tunnel right down there.
Sounds pretty fun.
Yes, I don't think anyone needs to take this closer look down.
We hiked the 1 mile round trip, and it takes about 1 hour depending on how long you spend at the top taking in the beauty of the canyon. Canyon Overlook Trail is a hike that you will want to add to your list of things to do when you plan your trip to Zion National Park. It's short, it's fun, and it's easy for the entire family to enjoy.
That's a good picture of the tunnel hole.
Well, I just hope that you all are enjoying Zion National Park as much as we did. And I just wanted to take this time again to say thank you to all of you who are following us along on our journey, and hope that one day you'll be able to travel the West as we have and enjoy all of God's beautiful country. And again, thank you. And don't forget, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a video, and you won't miss out on our journey as Ricky and I are soaring together and just living life in different places.